Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make greeting cards in Canva, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So here, as you can see, we are already in our Canva platform, and in Canva we can find out millions of templates in here which are pre-built for our users. So here I will search for greeting one. So I will search greeting cards, and here actually you will see the greeting one, and you can see this is the greeting card for you. If you want to create on blank, you can go with this one. So you just need to find out which events you are going to do. So it could be an happy anniversary, it could be a birthday one, or it could be anything for happy or whatever. You just need to go on of them. Like, let's go with this one. Just click on this one, get happy graduation, and just click the customize the template. Once you click over here, then it will landed you to the editing panel where you can edit your greeting card. So here you can change the text. If you select this one and make it birthday, wedding, whatever, like this way, wedding, and you can see it already be changed. If you want to add the tagline, you can add it here. If you want to change the design, you can change it also. So all are editable for you. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to make and greeting cards in Canva. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.